Did it start recording?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it did. Okay, so this is the chapter, and last class we learned about how to put some values, like if you get like variables like a and b, and you put in the designated number of that variable, and you get the answer. So it was something like that. And okay, before starting this, let me give you a review, I think. Okay. Okay, this is today's class, but let me give you a little bit review about yesterday. Somehow my computer is lagging. Is it good for you all, or still you can see some lag in the screen? So
We can think.
yeah, it says it might be a problem for the audio quality, I suppose. So this is verification. Verify the following by taking the following by taking a equals to 2, b equals to 1 by 4, c equals to minus 6. Okay, I have to add the mouse. I forgot again. Page down. Does it work? Yep, this one works. So can you all hear me loud and clear? Please interact that you can see the board and also hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you very much. So this is a question, the first one, I'd say.
Yes.
You have to verify it. AB plus AC equals to A times B plus C. So what you need to do is put a left-hand side and you get AD plus AC. And putting the values 2 times 1 by 4, this sign here, 2 dot 1 by 4, dot represents multiplication. Okay.
Yes.
Teacher, if we don't have dot, it means addition, because there was some question in worksheet like this.
No, dear, the addition sign always stays like this. If you don't see a sign, that means it might be a multiplication, something like that. Sometimes it's like this, sometimes AB. So AB represents A multiplied B, but it will never represent A plus B. Okay.
Okay.
2 times 1 by 4, then 2 times C is minus 6. So you verify it, you get 1 by 2. Okay, I just cut it with 2 both sides. So you get 1 by 2 plus 2 times 1, that means minus 12. Okay, and if you do the LCM, you get 1 negative 24. There is just like under 12, there is 1, and you divide 2 by 1, you get 2. You multiply 2 with 12, you get 24. So the answer is negative 23 by 2. Okay, this is the left-hand side, I would say. Okay. A plus. And then the right-hand side over here, let me use green this time. Right-hand side is A times B plus C. And you put in the value of A is, I think, 2. It was 2. Yeah, 2, 1 by 4, and minus 6. So you put the value of A is 2, 1 by 4, plus, okay, let's not use plus because we already have a first bracket. So it's gonna be negative 6. Okay, and after that, you have to do this beforehand, this multiplication. You have to perform this. as we follow the PEMDAS rule. So it's the first step is parenthesis, obviously. Inside the parenthesis, you get addition and subtraction. So we have to do it beforehand. So you put in 4, the LCM is 4, get a 1, and 4 times 6 is 24.
24.
And you get 2 multiplied with negative 23 divided by 4. And you divide both sides with 2, you get negative 23 by 2. This is the simplification of this. So as you can see, the right hand side matches with the left hand side. So we verified it. So what you have to do and write is left hand side equals to right hand side, and you say verified. If it says in the question, show that, you write in showed. If it says that prove that, then you write in proved. As it said that verify, we put in verified. So do we understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zuali. Zuali, how was your yesterday, dear?
Sir.
How was your yesterday?
I spent sleeping because we are very tired.
You're in Bangladesh now? Yeah.
Yes, we are in quarantine.
Okay. Soon enough, you're gonna start the offline class. The group E already started. I think there is Tabassum here from group E. Wait, let me see.
Teacher, can you scroll the page
Yeah,
a
yeah.
little
Oh, a little bit up.
up because I
Okay.
have quiz.
Okay.
Yeah. Teacher, in here we have 2 times minus 23 by 4.
Yeah.
We don't multiply 2 with minus 23 by 2
Okay, let me simplify it for
because
you.
we have 2 here.
Do you understand this?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, what I just did is simplified it. Divided with,
Yeah.
divided both sides with 2. Like you divide it with 2, you get 1. You divide it with 2, you get 2. So this is the
Yeah,
outcome
teacher.
that you get. Okay, and Furuk Naimzad, I think I see a hand up. Yeah, tell me what you have to say, dear. Okay, it's all right. We can go ahead and let
Sir,
me. Dear, tell me.
just one from others to meet yourself.
Oh, okay. Whoever is not unmuted, all of you mute yourself, okay? Because I can hear some background noises.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And the next question, what color shall I pick? Red, purple?
Yes.
Any choices?
Wait.
Black.
Hmm?
Black, teacher.
Black, okay. Oh, I have 2 black pens now. So that I use it the next time. So the question is, you try to do it, solve it on your own before me. So I will just make sure I write the question and you try to do it before me. BA minus CA equals to B minus C by multiplied with A. Remember, A is 2, B is 1 by 4, and C is negative 6. Try to do it all with the way that I did. First, you put left-hand side, and then you pick right-hand side, okay? I
Okay,
want you to
sir.
try to do it. Okay, I will do it in my own copy as well, so I don't have to wait for you. Left-hand side equals 2BA minus And make sure you give me a present if someone just shows up in the class, okay, in the chat.
Okay, sir.
I'm done, sir.
Now, what is the answer, dear?
25 by 2.
Yeah, I got 25
Yeah,
by 2 as
teacher,
well.
my answer is the same.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Suraya, for letting me know that Sharifa is present. Uh, yeah, Fatima, you said something I did not understand, dear. Sometimes your microphone is lagging, so you can just use the chat.
Yeah, teacher, my answer is also
This one.
25 by 2.
So you just verified that left-hand
Yes,
side equals
teacher.
to right-hand side. Okay, I will have to.
Yeah.
Shall I do this one or shall we move on?
We should
Because I
move
think some
on.
of you
Yeah,
couldn't do it.
sir, you should do that one, I think, because I'm still
Okay.
confused about.
Okay, okay. So what you need to do is let me remove this. Oh my God, this computer is so like, this is not a computer, this is a laptop that I got as a gift 10 years ago, I think, more than 10 years ago. Still works. So there it is. And you have to put left-hand side BA minus CA. So from the right side, you can see B equals to 1 by 4. So putting the values of B and A and C, you get A is 2, C is -6, and A is 2. So what you get is, simplify 1 by 2 plus 6 times 2 are 12. You can see negative here and negative here, they multiplied and became positive. And we do the LCM, you get 1 plus 24, and you get 25 by 2. What I had done here is there's a 1, you divide 2 with 1, and you get 2. 2 multiplied with 12, you get 24. Okay. Did you understand here? I think it was the Saltinia, right? You said that?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
I got that.
And the right-hand side, okay, we'll have to do it from here so that all of you can get that first screen. Right-hand side says B minus C multiplied with A. B minus C here, 1 by 4, putting the value of C is -6. You get, I added a second bracket or medium bracket, as you can see, and 2, because I had to use -6 here with the first bracket, so I added a second bracket. You can add this, doesn't matter, plus 6 multiplied with 2. And you get 4 LCM, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1, and then you have a 2. 25 by 4 multiplied with 2, and you get 25 by 2. So as you can see, the left-hand side is equals to right-hand side. Verify it. So it was easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on from that. So you're gonna get something like this: verification, like determine what will be the answer, something like that. The things about the verification is they will be the same. The left-hand side and right-hand side will be easy, same. So this type of mathematics are easy, but it's a little bit time consuming because you have to do the both sides. And then after that, we will find the sum of the following as we started with the beginning of the class. I'm gonna use the purple color. This is purple, right? Yeah, purple pen. So the question is, it's from the exercise 5.3. You can find that in the PDF that I've shared. I will also share it in the WhatsApp, the ones that you haven't got it from the Google chat. Three. Okay, wait. The question was like this. Number one, find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. Sorry about that. It's due to the lagging of the computer. And you can see number H. Let me start with H, 5A and 5B. So generally the answer would be here, find the sum. By the word sum, we mean addition. Okay, or the sign plus. So 5A and 5B.
5A plus 5B.
Yeah, that is correct answer. Or you can also simplify it, just like taking 5 common from the both sides, you get something like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Multiply
and then
5.
let me give the next question, which is gonna be I, 3A squared and negative 4AB. Okay. 3A squared plus negative 4AB. You just have to find the sum like this. You get 3A squared, negative 4AB. And what can you do? You can take a common A. Oh, I used the second bracket. I can just use the first bracket. 3A minus 4B. That's it. So you can put like this. Make sure you make an answer like this, or you keep it like that, or you put like this, answer A times 3A minus 4B. Answer 5 times A plus B. The whole thing is an answer, but you put an answer in the end because I learned it in school. Okay, and we have L. The last one, I would let you do it. I think that as it's the last one, wait. Oh, 3A squared and 4AB here. It was from the another part of the question book. It was from number 2, but it's fine. We still found the sum. So the L here is 32 AB squared and negative 32 CB squared. Negative 32 CB squared. You want to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to go ahead and do it. I will just ask you the
Okay.
answer in the end. 3, 2. I have a copy beside me, so I am also doing it with you.
I did.
Really? That fast? Tell me
Yeah.
the answer in the
Yes,
chat.
sir.
In the chat,
Yes,
please.
sir.
2,
32. Okay.
32, B square into A plus C.
Oh, A plus C?
No. Yeah. No.
No.
Sorry, A minus C. Sorry, A minus C.
Minus
Yeah, yeah. A
Yeah.
minus C. Let me see the chat. Anyone put in the chat? Nope, nobody. Oh yeah, finally I got Fatima Sharifi. 32 square. What? What did you... Oh no, you did it wrong, dear. Why did you add D
Sir,
over
writing
here?
in chat is so hard. No. AB
Okay,
squared
let me
minus
try
CD
it.
squared. Writing in chat is so hard.
32
Yeah.
B. I
Sir,
will
BB
just...
means B square.
Yeah. I just added something like this and B minus C.
Teacher, it is you 32 a b square minus cb square.
Okay, let me see. Where did you get that sign from? I don't see it in the keyboard.
From shift 6, number 6, shift and number
Okay,
6.
6. Thank you. Okay, let
You're
me see.
welcome, sir.
So what we have to do is 32 AB squared plus negative 32 CB squared. Low system resources. My computer keep on warning me. 32 AB squared negative 32 CB squared. As you can see, we can take common B squared, and 32 over here. So 30 plus C. That's it. Do we all understand it?
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
put the answer like 32b squared a minus c. It was an easy one. Thank you for all of you doing that and putting that in the chat. Okay. And after that, we have some product. So after that, we have division. And I'm directly going to the simplification, which is called, let me use a different color for this. What color do we have available? Orange. I don't use orange that much often. So let me try and use orange here. So this is number 4. So number 4 is about simplification. Simplify the following. That is the question. And after that, you got the questions like this. Number B says 2a multiplied with 7a. And yeah, as the question says, that's so easy. Just multiply the
25
numbers,
is
you get 21, and you get the variables,
A.
multiply it, a
A
square.
square.
So easy. And after that, let me write the question again. Number E, which is 3a plus 5b. Okay, 3a plus 5a. Then plus negative 7b. Okay, I haven't told you about the basic. If you see something like that, 3a plus 6, this sentence has only one variable. Okay, so that sentence sometimes represents one variable in a mathematical, one expression, you can say one expression in a mathematical sentence, but the ones that we are solving, it has 2 and sometimes 3 variables in it. A, B, and C represents the variables. So the sentence that I wrote just right now, like this one, 3a plus 5a minus 7b, it has 2 variables. 2 variables. Okay. In the chat, 8a minus 7b. Okay, let me try it. 8a minus 7b. Yeah, that is correct. And you put the answer on the right side like this, or you can just write it in the answer, the new one. And after that, I will give you another one. You have to do it. This is the, okay, I want to show you a division first. We haven't done any division yet. Negative 5x divided by 15y, wait, 15y divided by 4xy. Okay, how will we solve it? About the things, when you see division in a simplification, what you need to do is to change the order of it. So changing the order of division, it will be multiplication. Like this, negative 5x, we change the division sign to multiplication sign, so you get something like that. The numerator over here becomes the denominator, changing the order of the, or the position of the mathematical things. Okay, I got a message. And right click, and here again changing the order 4x5. If you can do it like this division, you can keep it, or you can just change the order of the or the position of the numerator to denominator. Thank you, Zwali, in the chat. So what we have done, you can see, you can do simplification over here. X over here, X, you can cut it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have a -5. What you can do is just simplify with the number 5, and you get a 1, you get simplified, you get a 3, something like that. And you have a negative sign, remember that. So -1 by 3y squared, right? Is that the correct answer? Let me see. No, 12, because
There is
there's a
4.
4. There is a 4. I have totally overlooked it. My bad.
12 y squared.
Yeah, thank you. Furuk made the same mistake as me. And Zuali did a mistake in the beginning, but now she did it correctly. Thank you. Yeah, so these are easy. And after that, let me give you another one with a negative sign. This is the last one in the chapter.
Sir,
Yes.
can you say me what y equal to 20?
There is no 20, dear. 12.
12? Okay.
Yeah, because the 3 over here and the 4 over here, they multiply.
Okay.
Okay, let me make a little bit more simplification over here. We cut it. So we have -1 multiplied with 1 by 3y multiplied with 1 by 4y. So you can see,
Okay.
if we do this, we get -1 by 12y squared. And after that,
Okay.
okay, and after that
Okay.
we have this
Okay, thank you.
question. Yeah, welcome, dear. We have this question. I will suggest you to do it and tell me the answer in the chat. YZ divided by 4ZX. Okay, this one. This over here is an X. Okay. I will solve it for you after a little bit while. So try to do it for now. Let me see if I can do it. 72xy divided by 8yz divided by 4zx.
Sir, I think I found.
Yeah, in the chat, dear, in the chat. I don't understand sometimes the mathematics. If you do tell me, I will forget it. So in the chat, please the chat. I also got an answer. There are 4 answers in the chat, I can see. Yes, Sumaya Tabassum Priya. Sumaya Tabassum Priya, you're gonna attend the offline class, right? After 45 minutes.
No, sir.
Okay. The electricity is gone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
The electricity is gone. So I might disconnect, but I'll be connecting from mobile phone. I just want the connection to get back pretty quick. Can you hear that? Yeah, it came back. Great. Okay. Habiba Halimi, dear, you just add the Z. I mean, multiply the both Z's together and you get a Z square.
Yes.
Oh, I was asking Sumaya Tabassum Dia. Oh, there are lots of students who left because they're in the campus. The electricity has gone. And it was 17 people over here, and suddenly there is 9 people. They might join again because the electricity backup came up. But let me see. Drink a little bit of water. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I was asking to dear Sumaya Tabassum, weren't you in the group E, dear?
No, sir. I'm from group J.
Group, okay. Yeah, I know you're from group J, but what group do you have now? New one.
H.
H? Okay, didn't you attend the offline class yesterday, like 2 days ago?
No, sir.
Okay, then it was someone else, I guess. Let me add your name in the. Wait, do I have you in the attendance today? Nope, I don't. I will have to attend your write your name. So Sumaya Tabassum, and there was another one, and it was Sharifi, right? I think Sharifa.
Sharika.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sharifa, my one. Yeah. Welcome, dear. Let me get the PDF back again. I'm also using the same PDF that I've provided you in the chat Google. Let's see, after the class, I will share it in the Google WhatsApp. Make sure all of you use the Google chat as well, as much you use the WhatsApp, because I can, like, the Google chat is pretty organized about the files that I can share. Sibyl, you did it wrong, dear. 9/4 z square. The x goes away. Let me do it for all of you again.
Yes, sir.
The x goes away, dear. So what you get
Oh.
is 72 xy multiplied. We changed the order of the division to multiplication and also the side of the numerator to denominator, like this. 1/8 yz multiplied 1/4 zxi multiplied. Okay, what we have to do and use a different colored pen. So here x goes away and this x goes away. You take away y as well, the y as well here, and you take away 8, divide both sides with 8, you get a 9. 9 8s are 72, and then 8 times 1 is 8, so you get 1 and you get a 9. So the answer becomes 9/2z, 4z square. Did we understand? 9/4z square. Okay. Not to worry about whoever didn't dismissed the time, like, you know, some of the students disconnected due to electricity outage. So this session is being recorded, so they can watch it after it, the end of the class. Okay, let me go to chat.google.com again so that I can get the PDF that I was using. And here, group page, algebraic expression. So this chapter is also finished because that was the last question, the last simplification of this chapter. And now they have this option that you have to add bracket, or you can say simplification that we used before. So the first one here is telling, I don't think so that we have to do it from the beginning because the beginning is pretty easy. So the chapter here is, let me use something else. Okay, let me just change the outlay of the whiteboard to blackboard. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, the internet connection is pretty
Yes,
bad
teacher.
for me. I hear you, but you guys are like oh oh oh
So can you hear me properly or no? I also have internet issues.
What dear?
Yeah, we do hear
8
you.
minutes.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
This
Okay, there is no white black color. Why can I see the
board
black
is
color?
good, teacher.
Yeah, there it is. Aha, finally, got the blackboard. Let me close this. It is not going away. Yeah, it went away. So I can use the color white. I was looking to use white color. So the name of the chapter is exercise 5.4. So what you have to do is just, this chapter is about simplification. The second one we will start. The second one says remove the brackets of the following. Okay. And the first question I will give is number H. I just randomly pick one. 6b negative, first bracket negative 2q positive 5r. You can say 6p minus first bracket minus 2q plus 5r. So what we have to do is get rid of the first bracket. How will you do it? And you can see there's a negative sign. So what we have to do
Yeah.
is 6p multiply the negative both
You
sides, you get a
multiply
positive.
minus with all the
Yeah,
Plus
Yeah.
2q
All the
plus 2q and then
Minus 5r.
5
minus 5r. So this is the simplification. That's it. That is the answer. The board looks so soothing for me now. I was using the white background. Now it looks so good. I don't know why. The black background sometimes helps.
Yes, sir.
In the morning, the black. In the night, the white. Or the other way around, I guess. Like it's morning, so I could have used the white. So we were using the white. In the night, you can use black or anything that you prefer. You can always tell me, like, sir, can you use the purple background? I also have a purple background. Okay, let me give you the next question. It's the last one here. R negative minus a minus first bracket minus 3b minus 5c first bracket ends or closes. So all of you try to do it and tell me the answer in the chat.
Did. I
You
did.
did it? Nice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Use the chat. Use the chat, dear. Negative 3b minus 5c, you get negative a plus 3b plus 5c. The electricity came back, I think. Students are going to join. I see 12 participants. That's great. Negative a plus 3b plus 5c. Yeah, Sharifi, Sumaya, Furuf, Shamima, thank you very much. Yeah, you got it all correct. So what we did here, it's quite easy. Negative a, we just multiplied the negative with the negatives inside the bracket. And you get a positive 3b and a positive 5c. That's it. Oh, let me remove the bracket. It's a mistake. And the answer becomes negative a plus 3b.
teacher. Give us a little harder questions.
Shall I give you harder questions? Okay, dear.
Yeah.
I'm just strictly following a book. That's why. Okay, I can give you hard questions. Wait, let me see.
Okay.
The mouse is
so
not
much.
responding. I don't know why. This is such a sad outcome. Okay. Thank you, whoever did it in the chat. I see the mouse doesn't respond. This is a problem now. Okay, never mind. How can I make the mouse work? Yeah, suddenly it's started to work now. Yeah, there we go. The harder question here for you, extract the common factors. So, okay, let me give you this one. This one says extract the common factors of the following. The common factors of the following. Like we have to take away the common figures or the numbers that you can find inside the mathematical expression. Like right now, I will give you an example, which is quite easy. 4x plus 3xy. If we take away or extract x from here, you get x, the first bracket, 4 plus 3y. So that's what you need to do here. So the hard one here for Fatima Nouri is H. This is not a hard one. This is also an easy one. Okay, let's say 6ab plus 3bc negative ba plus b. Find the extract this mathematic expression just by having the example of this one. So let me do it in my copy as well. 6ab. And use the chat to answer my question. Okay, answer the book's question, not my question. 6, and you can take. Yeah. You can just go to the next line, I think, with this question. What did you get? Oh, there are 4 answers in the chat I haven't seen. Yeah. Yes, dear Fatima Sharifi, you can also do it like that, but you don't get an outcome from that. Right now, you took common of AB. Yeah, you can get like a 6. Exactly. What you can find from here, this one. Okay, let me simplify it like this. 6AB plus 3BC negative AB. You can see I can organize it as AB plus B. Right? The last one was plus B. Yeah. So you take away AB from 6AB, you get 5AB and plus 3BC plus B. And now you can take 3C plus 1. You understand? So
Yes, sir.
some of you made some different, let's see, what was the question? Yeah, Sumaya, Tabassum, Pia, all of you made a little bit of mistakes. Yeah, Fatima Sharifi, if you just like simplify your one, you can get a correct answer.
Okay, sir.
And as well, Zubaida got 3B.
Sir, our answer is incorrect. My answer, Tabassum's answer is incorrect.
No, you have to simplify it, dear. Like make it as small as you can. As small as you can. Okay.
Okay.
Some of you kept it like that. But as you can see, the AB here goes away. So that's why the problem is.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some of you use 2 steps. You can just make it 1 step again from their place. You don't need to cut it all. You just can simplify it again. None of the question, like the way that was done, it was, I can say, wrong, but it appears to be a little bit tricky. Then it looks. I just have to find the answer. Let me see. Oh, I cannot. I don't have the book right now. So that was the last question of 5.4, which you would say a little bit tougher as it seems. And after that, we have challenger, we have make a square. Okay, this is the chapter that we're looking for, the exercise 5.5. We can move on from here, right? Did we all understand it? Like, did you all understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can move on from here to the next chapter. And in the chat, I see 3b common 2a plus c negative b common a plus a minus 1. Yeah, you can take it common like that, dear. But I would just suggest that you take the AB away from the 6AB. This one is gone. Oh, I'm not using the mouse. This one is gone in the next line. It takes away. So you just take B as common, you get this. Let me see the answer actually from the book, if I can find it. Okay, the answer is on as it says. Page 427. 427. And this is exercise 5.4, 5.4, number 4H, number 4H. Yeah, this one is correct. My one is correct. Yay. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, let's do the next chapter, which it says, we're going pretty way fast. I will make sure I give you a worksheet after this. I told like the last 2 class as well that I wanted to give worksheet, but then again, when I was giving worksheet, I could see some of you are submitting the old worksheets, so I didn't think of giving that worksheet again. Okay, what color
Teacher-
shall I pick this time, dear?
Teacher, may I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead, Fatima.
And if you want, you can solve it at the end of the class. It is some questions from the previous class.
Oh,
I
sure,
couldn't
dear.
solve it. I couldn't understand it.
Can you, I asked you, I think before, can you give me the question
teacher-
as in the WhatsApp as well, dear?
Okay.
Take a screenshot of that question, like a screenshot of it, and then send it to my WhatsApp. I will try to
teacher,
solve it.
that's easy, but there was 2 questions answers in the same. And for example, teacher, 5 times 2 is rational or irrational?
5 times 2
because
is
both
10.
of them are decimal.
Wait,
No, 5 by
Oh.
2.
5.2. Yeah,
5 by 2.
5 by 2. 5 by 2?
Yes, teacher.
This is
Is
a
it
rational,
irrational
dear.
or rational?
It's a rational.
Rational.
Yeah.
But it is also decimal numbers without repetition.
This is you get 2.5, right, dear?
Yeah.
So it's a finite decimal. Finite.
Okay.
I would say, wait, let me show you. The question that you're asking is 5 by 2,
Yeah.
right? And this is, if you solve it, you get 2.5, like this. 5, you get a point, you get a 10, and 2.5, 10. So that's it. So here it's called a fraction, which is
Yeah.
also rational. And if you solve it, like as we know, I used a finite decimal. Like there's a decimal, and there were two categories of decimal,
Finite,
which was finite
infinite.
and an infinite. This is a
Okay.
finite one. Okay, finite decimal. And this is also rational.
Okay.
I think it answered your question, dear. Did it?
Yeah,
Or did the problem
thank
was
you.
something else?
No, I understood.
Okay, dear. Oh, forget about removing this. It's gonna take a long time. Okay, this chapter is called exercise 5.5. Okay, this one. And if you want to be really good at it, the examples, the question, the mathematics, make sure you are attentive in the class. Yes, you are. But some of you, if you don't attend the class, it's all right. You can always find the video recorded class after the end of the video class. I can give you that. And sorry, attendance is important because you get a marks. I think 10, I don't know how much percentage, but you get a percentage. I'm still new to this. So you can solve questions from book. Those are not assignments, okay? You don't have to submit it to me. These are not assignments. You just have to use that notebook of yours, note copy, I would say. You solve the questions from, there is A, I am skipping to H. You have to, sorry, in number 1, there is H, I'm going to H, and I'm skipping A to E, F, G as well. These are, I'm skipping. You can just go ahead and try to solve it from the beginning. Okay. So
Okay.
add it in the
Can you
notebook.
repeat again?
Oh, I was saying here that like sometimes when I'm doing mathematics from the book that I've provided all of you, I'm picking H, but I'm skipping from A to G. I'm not doing this once, right? So all of you can fill up your notebook with from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then you come to H. You understand? You do everything in the note copy. And this is not an assignment. This is for your good. You're gonna be better in mathematics if you solve more problems. If you attend more classes, there's a hard chance that you're gonna be good at. But if you solve more problems from the book, you're gonna get good at it. I'm just here to instruct you. I'm gonna show you some examples, but the others, you have to do it by yourself. Okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
as I picked H, I will just want to do H. Number 1, it says simplify the following expression. Just simplify the following expressions. And I picked number H. Okay. H says negative 7b, negative 7a, negative 6b, negative 6a, plus c square minus 2b plus c square negative 2b plus c. That's it. So you have to simplify it. Just simplify it. I don't think you need my help, but I will still try to do this. If you have a copy, you can start doing it right now, and we can match the answers in the end. Okay, so what we can do here, we can take the B's together and the A's together and the C's together. Okay, so first of all, arranging all the A here, I get a 7A and a 6A. 7A, negative 6A. And then we get a 7B, 6B, and a 2B. 7B, 6B, and a 2B. And we get plus C square plus C, plus C square plus C, right? That's the way. 7B, 6B, 2B. Yeah. And you can add this 7 plus 6 is 13. And you can add all the ones over here. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15B. And you can take a common C plus 1. So that is the answer. Wait, let me see the chat. 13B. You got an 11, dear? How did you get an 11?
Sir, I thought 7 plus 6 equals third
Okay, I can
11.
see.
Oh.
All right, I understand. It's fine. And then you got a 13A. He got a. Yeah, never rush while you're doing mathematics. Okay, dear. It's okay to end in the end, but you're still gonna get the full marks if you're correct. Okay. And always revise your question. Right now, I did this. Okay, today's class is almost end, so you can all leave if you have given the attendance. I will just stop from now on. So the thing is, I did the mathematics. What you have to do is revise, revision. Okay, do the revision like, oh, from here we picked it like this. We picked 7A, we put it 7A, we picked 6A, we put it here, we put 7B, we here, like this. Just do the revision so that you don't make a mistake in the end. Okay, that's it, the answer.
Teacher, may I ask a
So
question again?
Short, dear, let me stop recording because today's class is over. And whoever didn't show up in the class, please follow the recorded class and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on the
Okay.
notification bell.